All right, guys, it's your boy Shades and Trades. I have not made a video talking about the stock market as a whole. So here I am. The reason I haven't made any videos talking about my thoughts on the stock market as a whole is because this is a very volatile week with many earnings, and we have a Fed rate hike decision as well this week. So there's just a lot of volatility, a lot of catalysts that can send markets either tanking like it is today, or you can send them running. Like we had a run up on Monday, I believe. Where's Nvidia? I need to look at Nvidia, but I do believe Monday we had we had a nice big green candle. Of course, that was going to happen. Not Monday. Was it Monday? No, it was. Yeah, no, it was Monday. I was getting confused here. I thought this was today's candle, but nope, this is today's candle. And yeah, Monday we started off nice, big and green, then a red day to follow, and then a big red day. Today, so far, we're opening just big red. So that's a great example of the kind of volatility that was it. We anticipated this, which is why we're not trading much. There's no reason to buy right now because everything's just going to be all over the place. Ideally, what I would want is I want things to dump so I can buy cheaper. That's what I'm waiting for. We'll see what happens. I mean, we got stocks at all-time highs. So at any point, this could reverse. And do you really want to buy Nvidia up here at the top? Possibly at the top. I mean, I'm not saying it's the top, but it could be. You never know. But if it's not the top, then we will find out this week. Are we going to continue this trend, or are we going to start dumping? People are going to start selling. So that's why I've said, like, let's just be patient. We made money on Sophie. Earnings, it always pops on earnings. I don't know why people bet against it on earnings. I'm gonna add that sucker back at 750. If it goes under 750, maybe even right now I'm tempted to buy, but we'll see. We'll see how the market moves. The Fed rate hike decision is gonna determine market direction. So that's why I'm just not gonna touch anything. Right now is the time to accumulate cheap stocks and just sit on it. If it goes lower, we add more. That's all there is to it. This is I mean the stock market goes through cycles. That's how it is. The thing about cycle is you don't the cycles is the thing about the cycles is you don't want to get caught, buying the top. So that's why we're being extra cautious here, especially with Nvidia and many other big boy stocks. SPY, QQQ. I mean, these are all at all-time highs now, which is, like I said, that's cool. I'm glad we're creating higher highs and higher lows over the long term, but and that's awesome for longs, but like as a trader, you kind of don't want to buy the top, right? So we have to wait until after this week, after the earnings are all done, after the Fed rate hike decision is, after all of this is done, we will get a market direction and we can start accumulating cheap or uh, swing trading to the upside as it goes higher, as the trend continues to the upside. That's pretty much my thoughts. Bitcoin, yeah, it's bottomed out, it seems, but again, it doesn't mean anything. Well, let's wait to see what the Fed rate hike decision is. Let's wait to see what Powell has to say. Let's wait to see how the market reacts because we don't want to buy here and then the market reacts negatively and we get another sell off back down, and then we miss out on buying. Yeah, you don't want to be buying down here at like 13. You want to buy at 10. You don't want to be buying up here for sure. You don't want to be buying up here at like 2023, right? So that's why I'm being extra cautious. But after this week, we're going to start getting more alerts and we'll start making more money again. It's been a pretty terrible month for trading because I think most of the month we spent, I think Bitcoin miners they were just tanking. Most stocks have just been tanking. It's really just Google and Nvidia and a bunch of other, the Magnificent Six. Magnificent? Ha! The Magnificent Six, and not including Tesla because of what it's doing right now. Right now, it's tanking. But a lot of stocks will be creating new highs. But most, especially Bitcoin miners, we're dumping. So we've just been all over the place. But yeah, patience pays. Too many people want to get in and now and make lots of money right away. But uh, that's not me. I'm patient. I can wait, and I'll see you guys in the next one.